Since I started photography, one of my biggest goals later down in the future was to print my work and create books that I could sell. But the biggest drawback from that is just thinking about, oh, okay, I need to get famous first. I need to get to a place where publishing companies would actually take my work that I create and design to publish into an official book. Until I found out you can do it yourself. I designed this book from cover to cover in all 66 pages. All the photographs you see in this book are mine of a recent trip I took to Munich, Germany and cities across Italy. I self-published and printed this book out from a service called MagCloud, and it only cost me $14.20. I'm gonna give you a full tutorial on how to use this service and how I created this book, and you can too with $15, couple hours, and just your photos. This ain't paid. I'm not getting paid for this. I wish I was getting paid for this. This is just me finding a really good service, and I want to relay that to my community first. All right, the service is called MagCloud. MagCloud.com is where you go. You can essentially create, print out as many as you want, and also sell. You go onto their website and you first click on formats. They have all these different type of formats you can possibly want for your work. For me, for this book that I showed you in the beginning, I created a square publication. For this one, mine is an 8x8 square publication. They allow you from 24 to 384 pages. You go there, you make a square publication, scroll here to get a template. There's different software options to give you to choose. You can do this template in Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, Pages for Mac, Microsoft Word PC. So you can choose what format you want these templates to be in. I just used the Adobe Photoshop template and I just downloaded that template that I got straight off their website. So in this little zip file that they give you a full instructions on how to go about it. This PDF is so thorough that it gives you anything you need to build your books. The templates give you a left and a right sided page, and you just gotta make sure you just follow where to keep things in, make sure everything is kind of centered, so once they print it out, nothing gets cut off and everything just comes out how you kind of designed it. They give you a clean, plain page that you can do anything for, from front cover to back cover, everything in between. You have full control on what goes on that page. After you build your set, they give you even a way to export it, to create a PDF file with all your pages in your full book. You go back on the website, you have your book created just like mine. You just hit upload now. Once you do that, it processes up. You go to my projects. Once it's uploaded, they give you an option to buy and print, and shipping it to you was no problem. Shipping was so easy. They get it to you when they say they're going to get it to you. That's the biggest thing. Shipping is just a headache in general. For this book in particular, was 66 pages in total, and it only cost me $14.20 to print out. That's a great price. I can print out these books and then sell them on my own. You created the books, they come into your door, and you have the books do whatever you need with them. Other services I found, they deck this out in like water tags, and they limit you on what you can do, but from the front cover to the back cover, to the side, to the bridging, I had full control on it. The only thing for this service is they add a little QR code on the bottom, and that's it. Other than that, it's yours to do whatever. Shout out to my sister Casey. In 2020, she used this service to print out a magazine. If you've seen the video, a book of my work, the first one that I've ever had printed out. I kind of just asked her, I was like, what's the service you use? And really dive into and explore how much freedom they gave you. It's giving you so much like freedom, design, and it's very cost friendly. Yeah, when I first started photography, an end goal of mine, or a big goal of mine, was to have my work published and printed out and create books, essentially. That's one of the biggest goals for me. But I always thought it's like, I don't know when the right time is. I have to get famous first. I gotta get publishing companies behind me to be able to do it. I need money to do it because it just costs so much money. It's 2023 and self-publishing is such a big thing that you don't have to wait no more. any type of valuable kind of resource that I found and I uncover and I use personally. Again, this isn't paid. Services that I use personally that I really enjoy, I will give to you guys and I will uncover to you guys. Make your books. Just start designing your books. It doesn't matter if you don't even sell them, just to get that kind of motion flowing of just seeing your work in kind of book format or official publishing format. Again, help you develop in that kind of area. It will help you work on design. It will help you work on titling. It will help you work on creating your stories for your pictures. It's never too early to do it. And this is me taking my own advice. Now it's game time. The doors open, the floodgates have opened, and I'm already starting to design more books to come. But yeah, always do what you love. Be safe. Catch you on the next video.